Hey guys, welcome back to TheStruggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We have Home Depot, we have Lowe's, and we have Amazon deals. The Amazon deals will be linked in the description down below. The Lowe's and Home Depot deals, we use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see those boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video as we go. First one is a little bit of a variation of something we had talked about previously, part of the Home Depot Spring Black Friday deals, but I just really like this little combo kit at this price. Your Milwaukee M12 cordless screwdriver, 3/8 drive, ratchet, and light combo with 2 batteries, and you also get this bit set up here. It says normally $257 down to $248, but I'm not sure where this price comes from. If you look at this 3/8 drive ratchet, the fuel ratchet, its regular price is $199. It is included in quite a few different promotions and stuff, but just regular, if you walked in and grabbed it, it'd be about $199. So we're only $50 more expensive than that. We're getting that cordless screwdriver, fuel version. Nice little update there. You get the LED light. You're getting a couple of batteries. I think, are those 2s? Let me see. Let's scroll down over here. Those are 2 amp hour batteries that you're getting, 2 of those, and then the 45-piece Shockwave Impact Duty bit set right there. So you're getting a lot of value for $250 right now in stock. We got 78 available, so we're good to go for a while. Also, over at Lowe's, we have Mulch Week 2026. It's $2 a bag. Goes through April 15th. I put this little mulch calculator on my website to help you out. So let's say we want 10 feet by 8 feet. We're going 3 inches deep. Also added a few little buttons here. So if you weren't sure how deep you wanted to go, it'll automatically fill that in. Click, boom! We need 10 bags. And then here's all the links for what's available, the brown, the black, the red. There's actually 2 different brands for the red and the brown, but 2 cubic feet a bag. And you can get all your mulch. Nice to buy online than pick up in store. A lot easier. And Lowe's is usually pretty good about loading stuff for you. Menards, terrible, terrible. Just saw had to buy like 120 retaining wall block, and I'm sitting there just humping it one by one into that truck. Of course, it's lifted, and I'm 4 feet tall, so I'm basically shoulder pressing every one of these things. And you don't think they're heavy until you get to like the 100th one, and then you should have saw my truck. It looked like it wanted to do a wheelie. I think I'm over the weight. I don't think it's supposed to have this much in it. But anyway, so I got this link down below for you for the calculator, and 2 cubic feet a bag, $2 a piece. Really good deal if you need to do some mulching. Over on Amazon, we have GearWrench, 33 1/4 inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool, 5-pound capacity. It's going to be $10 right now. Love these little magnetic pickup tools. You drop a nut or a bolt or something. There's no worse feeling than dropping a nut or a bolt in an engine compartment and not hearing it hit the ground. It's like, oh shit. It's somewhere in there. $9.97, half price, of course, free shipping for Prime members there. Now, we added this competitor pricing box to several of my pages. Not all of them, but when I can, I'm adding this box. These are dynamically updated. So, of course, you guys know we have the Home Depot and Acme Tools pages that show you the latest discounts, and those have updated pricing every single day. So it's pulling it from the same tool there. We have $9.97 at Home Depot, price matching with Amazon. Acme Tools is $20. JB Tools all the way up to $21.76. So the thing I like about this page, all of this is dynamically updated. The Amazon price, all the competitor prices. You came back to this next year, you'll see all the updated prices and everything. So hopefully a little more convenient for everyone. Back to Home Depot, we have this Husky set, 1/4, 3/8, half-inch drive, 72-tooth ratchet and accessory set. Normally $55 down to $39.97, but for $40 you're going to get 3 different ratchets. You're getting all the little adapters. We're going bigger, smaller anvils. You got your extensions. Looks like that might be a 1/4 inch hex adapter. Hard to tell from the picture, but that would be pretty handy if it was. $39.97 for the Huskies. Now, we are going to do a full Lowe's Springfest deal video, an updated one, because they dropped some new deals. I'm not ready for that, but I thought these deals were really good, so I just wanted to show you a couple while they're in stock and ready to go. If you're in Kobalt's 24-volt lineup, this is almost a must-buy because it's a super good deal. Remember, when we're looking at batteries, we want $10 per amp hour. So that's like our Goldilocks. That's our middle ports. Well, it's not even the middle port. It's the best, but it's the cheapest. You know what I mean? So in this instance too, that's 80. We're at $59. 59. Normally 129 down to 59. If you have Kobalt 24 volt tools, you got to pick that up. You gotta. Delta Power Tools 6-inch variable speed bench grinder. It's going to be $99. Acme Tools is selling it for $140. So nice little discount over on Amazon. I really like the light up here. I feel like it's a lot brighter. The one I have has little lights over here, and they're too dim. They really don't help much, but this one I think it'd be a lot better. It looks like you got a little gooseneck there. You can aim it either. I thought it was so funny seeing the little shields there. That's cute. I haven't seen those little shields on mine since the day I bought it. I'm sure they're really useful, but in my way. So bye-bye. No shields. We're fine. Back to Lowe's, you got the 80-volt Kobalt 21-inch push battery walk mower, a 5 amp hour battery included. Normally $499 down to $309. These battery operated mowers are becoming really, really popular, and with the way battery technology is going, we're all the way up to 80 volt on this one, so a 5 amp hour at 80 volt, that's a honking battery. You can see it right there. That's gonna do a lot of people's yards. Now I got like 2 acres, so I'm not gonna be push mowing shit, but for other people, that's a really good deal. $309 with that big ass battery. It would be interesting to see, and maybe I'll take a look after this video for the next Lowe's video, what else is included in their 80 volt lineup. Professional digital meat thermometer. That's where you know the temperature of your meat. Don't want to be getting that salmonella stuff. 165. 160. Hey, I wonder if that little graph tells you the temperatures of the things. That would be a nice little additional benefit. Now, here's the thing on this. This is by Tinnery. Waterproof instant read thermometer. So the original price is insane. Insane. I almost didn't even want to post it just because of how stupid the original price was. But we have an 87% promo code. It makes it $3.99. $3.99. Of course, free shipping for your Prime members out there. Supposed to go through the 17th. Really useful. We're going to be grilling soon. We're getting the grills out. We don't want to be getting people sick. We want to know just the right meat temperature. So it's hard to beat that at that price. It annoys me when this is obviously a stupid price. Obviously. But love tracking the temperature of my meat. Klein Tools, titanium-coated utility scissors, compact stainless steel shears, serrated blades, cuts heavy-duty materials. 7 inchers here. Right now on Amazon, $14.98. Acme Tools sells it for $20, so we're getting a $5 discount. Of course, Acme Tools is also going to charge you another $6.49 for shipping, so it's really like a $10 discount. DeWALT 20-volt max cordless XR ratchet 3/8-inch drive and 1/2-inch drive sealed head ratchet. This is a bare tool deal. I really like the interchangeable heads on there, the interchangeable anvil. Kind of a 2-in-1 type tool. We're going up to 75 pounds of torque, up to 300 no-load RPM. So if we compare that to some of the Milwaukee's, they're closer to the 200 range as far as RPM. The original Milwaukee ratchet, the 3/8 drive OG, was only 35 foot-pounds of torque. So 75, we're doubling up on that. We're a little bit faster. Of course, this is 20 volt and the Milwaukee's a 12, but 188.70. This is perfect for a power stack battery. You get that 1.7 amp hour power stack, and you'll be doing really good on that. You probably don't want to put like a 5 or something. That's too damn bulky down there. But it's 188.70 right now, and Home Depot's just a little bit more at 189. But you have Acme Tools at the full-blown retail of $279, so almost $100 cheaper than Acme. One of the newer offerings from DeWALT. Another Klein Tools deal for you. The electrical tester kit with non-contact, low voltage test pen. and the GFCI receptacle tester, so it can tell you what you did wrong with your wiring. Like, oh, those aren't the lights I want to light up. Those aren't it. You want these two right here. Boy, don't want the red one. Damn it. And then we have the non-contact voltage pen, which when you go with these, you really probably want to stick with the name brand stuff, Klein, maybe Fluke, something like that, because these can be temperamental, as in they don't work really. So at least go with a high quality brand that you can trust with it. You know, you don't want to. You know, the other way to test these, which okay, I'm gonna drop some knowledge on you guys that you might not already know. Okay, if you're trying to test live wires, you're not sure if the circuit's on or anything like that. If you got those ends right there, and you're like, oh, I don't know if I can play with these. You just got to lick them. If you lick it, you'll know immediately. $19.98 for the 2-pack there. Acme Tools is $27, of course, adding shipping onto that as well. Rechargeable spotlight, flashlight, waterproof outdoor handheld spotlight, built-in kickstand and phone charger by Ann Look. Like these little spotlights. You can see what's creeping in the dark on you. Don't let nothing coming up behind you unexpectedly. Shine a bright-ass light in their face. And then afterwards, you can charge your cell phone. So you can call for help. $28.49. 50% off. It's only going to be $14 going through the 13th. You got today and tomorrow. Take advantage. By the way, you click right there. Boom. That's copied to your clipboard, your cell phone, whatever it is you have. Nice and easy to paste it into the checkout on Amazon's website. $14. Rechargeable light. Phone bank. 4-pack solar motion sensor lights, 120 LEDs, waterproof by AO Tech, wide angle. Got the solar panel on top, got your little motion sensor there. They can stay on dim all night long. They can be dim, and then when they just sense motion, become bright. Or they can be off, and then when they sense motion, become bright. So a couple different modes on these style of lights. I have this. It's definitely AO Tech, but it might be those exact ones. I feel like they had more LEDs on the ones I have, but you know what? That might be the exact damn one I have. Anyway, $19.99, but we also have a 24% promo code going through the 30th, so it should go through the end of the month. It's going to take about $5 off. Let's just say it's $16. That makes them $4 a light. And if we compare, Harbor Freight has a smaller, not as bright light that they charge $13 each. You're almost getting 4 for the price of 1 at Harbor Freight, and you're getting a better light. I'll tell you the ones I have I bought last year, and they're still working. So they worked for a minimum of 1 year in my experience. 3,000 amp jump starter, built-in cable portable jump starter, 45 watt fast charging, 12 volt super safe by GOOLOO. Now, we've seen GOOLOO around for years and years, probably 5 or 6 years. They do a lot of battery chargers, these jump starters, similar type automotive things. So this is on sale for $59.99. Remember back in the day, these were always over $100. When these first came out, over $100 all day long. Now we're at $59.99, but we also have a 40% promo code, so we're $35 or so on that. Again, going through the end of the month, give a little clicky click, and right there, it's all copied. So $35, amazing to keep in the trunk. You never know when you might have a dead battery or just need to charge your cell phone. I do like the digital display so we know exactly the state of charge. Not as big of a fan of the ones that just give you like little lights and you have to kind of guess like, oh, there's 2 lights on. It's 50%. No, just give me the damn number. I want to know. Make sure to keep those charged because you know what? If this is in your trunk and the battery's dead, it doesn't do you much good. Not as good as a brick. Digital tire pressure gauge up to 200 PSI industrial. Calibrated to ANSI B40.7. Holy shit, is that impressive. Replaceable replaceable AAA batteries by Ian Wolf. One of my favorite brand names. They also make jump starters and such. Love the digital readout. So much better than a little pencil style. I hate those damn things. You stick it in there. You stick it in there, and it'll say 5 psi. Like, oh, I know it's not 5. Do it again. Oh, good, 36. Now let's do it again. It's like you got to do it 20 times, then just take the average. I think the tire pressure is probably around 36. I don't know. It went to 40. It did 2. It was all over the damn place. Not the digital ones. On point every time. So this is going to be $7.99, but we have a 50% promo code. Goes from $8 to $3.99. Of course, free shipping on the Prime members. Boy, $3.99. You can get a digital thermometer to check the temperature of your meat, and you can check your tire pressure at the same time. You're out the door for $8 on both. It's amazing. Compressed air duster, super powerful snowblower. I don't know if that would be my top choice for use of this, but I don't think it would work great as a snowblower, honestly. It might dry off a car after a car wash pretty well. That would be kind of an interesting use. But really, you know what my favorite use is? Blowing dust off of saws, like a miter saw, your circular saw, something that's got a bunch of sawdust on it. Take it outside, give it one of these, and it's clean, real super fast like. 3-gear adjustable mini blue blower by Jeff Finks. Boy, I can't read today. I'm like retarded. $33.98, 41% off. Not sure the expiration, but it's good right now. Right now, boom, right there. Got the promo code. $33.98, 41% off. They thought about doing 40, and they thought, nah, people don't get out of bed for 40. Let's do 41. Tipping the scale right there. GearWrench, 5-piece, 12-point ratcheting combination wrench set. It's SAE, which is everyone's favorite. Only $22.54, so they're not flex head, they're not reversible, they're just your basics. But you're getting a 5-pack for $22. That's like $4 a piece. Home Depot price matching, $22.54. 26-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. Multi-ratchet screwdriver, multi-screwdriver tool kit. 12 double-ended bits by Chardonnay. 26-in-1. Got bits in the butt. Everyone loves a bit in the butt. Ratcheting. Little baby bits. $9.99. 40% off. It's going to make it $5.99. This has been real popular. I posted it a couple of days ago. You can see the price was updated on the 9th, so about 3 days ago, but very popular, showing up in the account, lots and lots. People like it. They're all over it. Heavy-duty utility knife, retractable, all-metal body construction, non-slip grip, quick change blade by Think Work. I like when they have a little on-tool blade storage. You got to have that. Also, I'm guessing it's a quick release lever of some sort. You're not unscrewing this thing like the old days. Boy, was that miserable. I need a new blade. Get me a screwdriver or a coin or something that'll fit in the damn slot. Got the bits there, retractable, little rope, or I guess not rope, string or line cutter, whatever you want to call it. $9.99, 50% off. It's only going to be $4.99. So there it is, guys. Little special weekend edition. Latest amazing deals. Again, there's going to be a Lowe's video coming up either tonight, tomorrow, real soon. Got some good ones. Just not prepared totally for it. But you'll like that. So make sure to subscribe. Click the like button. Because I don't know, you have to, I guess. I think it's a rule now. I think you have to click it. It's like a requirement. I think they don't let you watch the next video unless you like the previous one. Pretty sure that's how it works. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.